What's going on, intelligent people? Mr. Seco and SQC here. We have Luna. With Luna, okay, we went crazy in my previous episode about it, okay, or yesterday. I was looking for something like this to happen. Now, I mean, y- for this all to kind of occur, okay, we will need to wait for 43 days, but to see if this is actually correct, okay, in my expectations. But in this case, okay, I'm gonna keep you updated even for a shorter term. For example, like this one right here. You know what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna move this higher. Okay, everything actually. Let me just select all the drawings here, just like that. No, yeah, just like this, and move this higher, right there. Okay, just so we know where it's actually starting. Okay, beautiful. Now, uh, okay, as you see, we were breaking that trend line. As we all know, this is just liquidity. Okay, in my books, and if how I marked it up, I don't use trend lines at all. You see, we managed to get past this. This is where it actually all occurred. This is the money is what actually caused all these breaks to occur. Now, as you can see, we're starting to make these ranges, which we're waiting for liquidation of these lows, maybe even these, and then to see the prices take higher. But we're going to see if this is going to be the case. Um, okay, in the next video about this, which is going to be in about a week or the next Friday. So have a wonderful day. Peace and goodbye. And